Where something is made matters. It matters to those who source the raw materials, to those who get their hands dirty. It matters to the people who make it, providing them with a sense of purpose and focus, allowing them to hone their craft each and every day, creating better, ethical, more durable products. It matters to the businesses, giving them the capacity to grow and expand. Where something is made matters. It matters to the communities, feeding jobs and opportunities back into their towns, helping them to thrive and grow, creating deeper bonds and connections within its people. It matters to the generations that came before and the generations still to come, instilling a sense of pride, celebrating the past, building towards the future. It matters to the consumers who demand quality, providing them with products that last, products that don't only look and feel good, but mean something to those who made it. When we choose to buy something made in Australia, we invest in so much more than just a product, a service, or a company. We invest in the future of our country and in each other.